Hello, I want to invite you to now Colosseum, also called Pavilion of Art. This is located in Rome, Italy, with one area of 24,000 square meters. It was used for by spectacles in the past. The purpose it was gladiators fights, but also for shipping barrels. Fuel barrels, the most of the time simultaneously real contested with these animals temples. It is mandatory landmark when you visit Rome. This wonder has wonderful architecture. It was able to jobs, building 50,000 and 80,000 people. It was the symbol of the Roman Empire. When this city was the center of the world, you can feel the history among its walls and travel through a time. I'll send his postcard to Maria Cecilia. I want to write in for you. I write in from the wonderful Roman Colosseum. I've been in Rome for 3 days, so I came to visit this magnificent structure that is very important for the city. I like all this monument, its architecture, its history, its mystery, its don't like very much the price. The entrance is very expensive and is crowded. Although the Colosseum makes my feel like a gladiator in the middle of the crowd. It is extremely beautiful history, large, ancient. It has many places to go. You can well as very aim the walls, but it is really wonderful. Next time I come back, I'll invite you. Thank you very much.